we're going to get, so we've got, oh, how many grams? 125 grams. So you're going to go 2 to 1, goat's cheese and cream cheese. So that's for goat's cheese, 125 grams. And when I can find it, yeah, that's around and half to a Philadelphia small. Okay, and just a bit less. We're looking for about 75 grams. No, that can't be right. 50, 60, 62 and a half. So yeah, just under half. Okay, and there you go. At the moment, that's all I need. I'm not going to add any salt because at the end of the day, that salt is in the goat cheese, which is quite salty. I find it quite salty. You might disagree, you might be right, but hey, it's your meal, who cares? So it's very important. I mean, I haven't really, but what we're going to do is whisk it. Horrible job of this. In fact, with all that mess, I've decided that a spatula might be better. So I'm just going to get rid of that. So unfortunately there isn't a dairy free version of this, so it won't be going on the lads, but it will be going on everybody else's. See now why people do this in a blender. I wish I had done that in a blender. It's hard work. Oh, it's also very messy. So whereas I felt this would be very easy, not only am I getting it everywhere, it's had quite a bit of a workout. So when you're doing this, and I will next time, I recommend using a blitzer, like a micro blender maybe. My micro blender is a little bit old and outdated, so I need to upgrade that. So what I'm going to do, take a little bit of that out for my daughter. That's for her burger. And there's my hot honey. Now you can make your own hot honey, mine's shop bought, but you can make your own, and that's just jar of honey, salted by a bit of salt and a chilli. So the thing is this, I like to eat dollop cheese. It's got a much more savoury taste. However, this chicken bacon combo reminds me of something Revolution used to do many years ago. And gone to York for a weekend, and we were sat in beautiful weather, and we had lunch outside, and I had a goat's cheese, chicken and bacon salad, and yeah, absolutely delicious. Wow, that is beautiful. As usual, don't forget, wherever or whenever you are viewing this video, please give it a thumbs up, share and subscribe. Click the links to the right to see some more of my beautiful, delicious recipes. Give that notification bell a ring to be informed of future content. And last but not least, comment below what's on your plates.